Azerbaijani. Qashqai. Azerbaijani is a Turkic language spoken primarily by the Azerbaijani people in Azerbaijan and northwestern Iran, with significant communities in Russia, Turkey, Georgia, Iraq, and Azerbaijani diaspora worldwide. It belongs to the Oghuz branch of the Turkic language family, closely related to Turkish, Turkmen, and Gagauz. Azerbaijani is an agglutinative language characterized by vowel harmony and the extensive use of suffixes for grammatical functions. It has two main varieties: North Azerbaijani, spoken in Azerbaijan and written in a Latin-based script, and South Azerbaijani, spoken in Iran and written in the Persian Arabic script. The language has been influenced by Persian, Arabic, Russian, and Turkish due to historical and cultural interactions. Azerbaijani holds official status in Azerbaijan, where it is a key part of national identity, and it continues to thrive in literature, media, and education across the region. Qashqai is an Oghuz Turkic language spoken mainly in southwestern Iran, and its speakers commonly refer to it as Turki. Linguists classify it within the southwestern or Oghuz branch of the Turkic family, placing it alongside closely related varieties such as Azerbaijani and Turkish, though it remains a distinct language with its own sound system and grammar. It is primarily an oral language, but when written, it uses a modified Persian Arabic script. Structurally, Qashqai is agglutinative and typically follows subject-object-verb order, and it features vowel harmony as well as a rich case system similar to other Turkic languages. The language includes several dialects associated with the different tribes of the Qashqai Confederation, and these dialects show variation in pronunciation and vocabulary. Estimates of speaker numbers are around 1 million, though exact figures vary because Iran does not provide detailed language census data.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Göylərdə olan atamız, adın müqəddəs tutulsun.
Ey asmanlı atamız, adın müqəddəs olsun.
Padişahlığın gəlsin. Göydə olduğu kimi, yerdə də sənin iradən olsun.
Padişahlığın gəlsin. Sənin iradəyin elə o cür ki asmanda var, yerdə də var olsun.
Gündəlik çörəyimizi bizə bugün ver.
Bugün bizə çörək və ruzimizi ver.
Bizə borclu olanları bağışladığımız kimi, bizim borclarımızı da bağışla.
İştibahlarımızı bağışla. Nə o cür ki biz günahkarlar iştibahlarını bağışlayırıq.
Bizi sınağa çəkmə, lakin bizi şərdən xilas et. Amin.
Və bizi vəsvəsə tərəfinə çəkmə. Amma bizi şərdən azad elə.